Welcome children. Today is worksheet number 21, the fundamental unit of life. Today we will learn about cell organelles present in the cell. Jigyasa Didi, what is protoplasm and how does cell perform various life processes? ज्ञान क्या पूछ रहे हैं जिज्ञासा दीदी से? प्रोटोप्लाज्म क्या होता है and how does cell perform various life processes? As we know that every cell has at least three main features or three main parts. These are plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm are three main parts of every cell. The fluid inside the cell that is covered by plasma membrane is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm क्या होता है बच्चों? The fluid inside the cell. Cell के अंदर जो fluids present है and that is covered by plasma membrane. चारों ओर से plasma membrane से घिरा हुआ है. That is called cytoplasm. Apart from nucleus, there are specialized very minute structures present in the cytoplasm and these structures are called cell organelles. Cell organelles क्या होते हैं? Minute structure which are present in the cytoplasm. These are called cell organelles. What is the function of cell organelles? The main cell what are the different cell organelles? Main cell organelles present in eukaryotic cell are eukaryotic cell means cell containing nuclear membrane. So these are the main cell organelles: endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, plastids, vacuoles and mitochondria. These are main cell organelles which are present in all eukaryotic cell. Each cell organelle carries out some very crucial and specific function in the cell. Cell के अंदर ये cell organelles different important और specific function perform करती हैं. Cell organelles. For example, production and storage of protein, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन और स्टोर करना प्रोटीन को, लिपिड का प्रोडक्शन और स्टोरेज ऑफ लिपिड. लिपिड क्या होते हैं बच्चों? लिपिड इज़ फैट. तो स्टोरेज ऑफ फैट और प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फैट और प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एनर्जी एंड वेस्ट डिस्पोजल. डिस्पोज ऑफ वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट को डिस्पोज ऑफ करना. तो ये डिफरेंट जो फंक्शंस हैं ये कौन परफॉर्म करता है? दीज आर कैरीज आउट by cell organelles. The living part of the cell including cytoplasm, nucleus and other organelles is known as protoplasm. What do you mean by protoplasm? Protoplasm is living part of the cell and contain and include cytoplasm, nucleus and cell organelles. So cytoplasm, nucleus and cell organelles collectively known as protoplasm. Now Didi, Gyan is asking from Didi, what are metabolic processes? क्या पूछ रहा है ज्ञान कि metabolic processes क्या होते हैं? तो metabolic processes क्या होते हैं? To perform various life processes by living being, different types of chemical reactions are taking place inside the cell. ये लाइफ प्रोसेसेस को परफॉर्म करने के लिए व्हाट आर लाइफ प्रोसेसेस बच्चों? लाइफ प्रोसेसेस आर like digestion, respiration, growth और reproduction etc. These are life processes. तो life processes को perform करने के लिए different types of chemical reactions are taking place inside the cell. सेल के अंदर क्या होते हैं? अलग अलग तरह के chemical reactions होते हैं. In these chemical reactions क्या होता है? इन chemical reaction में ईदर सम सब्सटेंसेस फॉर्म, या तो कोई सब्सटेंस बन रहा होता है लाइक सिंथेसिस ऑफ प्रोटीन, प्रोटीन की सिंथेसिस होना, प्रोटीन बनना, और सब्सटेंस इज ब्रोकन डाउन टू फॉर्म अनदर कंपाउंड. और क्या हो रहा होता है? या तो कोई सब्सटेंस बन रहा होता है या ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा होता है लाइक ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ ग्लूकोज टू प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी. तो दीज केमिकल रिएक्शंस आर कॉल्ड these chemical reactions are continuously taking place inside the cell, and these are called metabolic processes. All these chemical reactions occurring inside the cell are known as metabolic processes. इनको हम कहते हैं metabolic processes, जो chemical reactions लगातार चल रहे हैं हमारे सेल के अंदर. These are constantly taking place in our body. Metabolism is a general term. Metabolism is a general term that is used to describe all chemical reactions involved in maintaining the living state of the cells and the organisms. तो organisms के और लिविंग स्टेट ऑफ सेल को मेंटेन रखने के लिए जो केमिकल रिएक्शंस होते हैं इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? इसे हम मेटाबॉलिज्म कहते हैं. Now there are label diagram of plant cell and animal cell is given here. You have to observe this label diagram and find out the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Now we will discuss question answer. First question is, draw a neat diagram of plant cell and animal cell and label its important cell organelles. You have to draw the label diagram of plant cell and animal cell, which is given here. Second question, what are metabolic processes? Give one example. Metabolic processes क्या होते हैं बच्चों? Metabolic processes, all chemical reactions that occur inside the cell are known as metabolic processes. Example क्या है? Like synthesis of protein or breakdown of glucose to perform energy. Your next question is, differentiate between plant cell and animal cell. You have to write difference between plant cell and animal cell. So what are the differences between plant cell and animal cell? This is a cell wall. Cell wall is present in the plant cell or animal plant cell, but it is absent in the animal cell. This one is thick membrane which is made up of cellulose is called cell wall. This cell wall is present in plant cell and absent in animal cell. Second one, large vacuole is present in plant cell and small vacuoles are smaller in animal cell. Third one is these green cell organelles which is called chloroplast. Chloroplasts are present in plant cell while these structures or cell organelles are absent in animal cell. So chloroplasts are present in plant cell while absent in animal cell. And these cell organelle, lysosome is only present in the animal cell while absent in the plant cell. So you have to write difference between plant cell and animal cell. Last question is, what is cytoplasm located? Where is cytoplasm located? तो साइटोप्लाज्म कहाँ पर लोकेट होता है? साइटोप्लाज्म कहाँ होता है बच्चों? द फ्लूइड इनसाइड द सेल. सेल के अंदर जो फ्लूइड होता है, फ्लूइड लाइक सब्सटेंस होता है, फ्लूइड इनसाइड द सेल that is covered by plasma membrane is called cytoplasm. Okay children, thanks for watching.